Okay, here's the K Street staircase. We have roughed in the underlayment as for the treads, and we've also put on the skirt boards on both sides. We do have an extra piece of 3/4 inch plywood right now that's nailed onto the underlayment, screwed on with 2 screws onto the underlayment. So those will come off, and then the new bull noses will go on top of that. As you can tell, it wasn't perfectly squared up between the risers and stuff, so what we did do is get the outside edge square so that we could get a pretty good visual on that. We do have a little bit of a gap, as you can see underneath there, that we'll deal with a piece of molding to clean that up. So we've got 10 steps. They are the rough underlayment is 9 inches deep from here to here, and 30.5 inches from here to the skirt board. And we think that we maybe want to come about 3 inches with an overhang. So we want a bull nose on this edge and a bull nose on the front edge, and figure that out. Up at this layer, you're going to have 2 turns and then the final top tread. And we still need to figure out how to finish on this. This is one of the things you'll see that we've got to work with, is we've taken off that piece of overhang, but as you can see, there is this board right here, unfortunately was measured off the bathroom wall, which is not straight, rather than taking the edge that we had here. So we now have about 1.5 inches extra that we're going to have to deal with at some point to get that cleared up. I think maybe the best thing to do is to take that board off, that bullnose board, and bring a bigger one, and we can rip it at an angle and then pin it back in to here. There's no point in screwing around with everything else out in there, so we'll go from there.